Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx. For those of you who have laid awake at night wondering what my hair looks like air dried. Okay, so Battle of the Boxes for the month of March, right? We're in March. This month's box is huge. I do get this in PR. It's not in exchange for anything. They just send it to me and that's that. All right, so we're just gonna open it and see what's inside. I will write the details for this box and Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus on the screen. And the theme for this box is pretty edgy. And the first thing I see is, oh, from Pharmacy, and it's one of their cleansing balms. I think they had a green one. There's like a piece of fuzz flitting away on my face. Dear God. Anyway, so this is a limited edition. Oh, this is just for boxycharm. It's a very cherry clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. I thought their last one was fine. To be honest though, my favorite cleansing balm is the Vanilla Co. It's a K-beauty brand, and they're my favorite cleansing balm. This retails for $34. But I always wonder though, are those really the real prices when they're exclusive to boxycharm? I'm never really sure. It's just so irritating. I'll definitely use this though, because you can never have enough cleansing balms. The next is from Becca, and this is the Glow Gloss. This retails for $22, and it's in the shade Camellia. And I will be putting this right into a giveaway because I'm not a huge gloss fan unless it's like nude gloss. It's fine, but I won't use it, it's gloss. The next is this from Colored Rain? No. It looks just like Colored Rain, doesn't it? The colors at least? Anyway, this is from Hank and Henry, and it is the Living in Color palette. I know we've got like eyeliners from Hank and Henry, we've gotten lip stuff from Hank and Henry, and like mascara from Hank and Henry, but I don't think we've ever gotten like makeup from Hank and Henry. Okay, so this is kind of what the colors are gonna look like. Something about this reminds me of Fenty. This is probably a shade I won't use, but I love that the rest of the mattes are neutral and wearable mattes. And honestly, I think all the metallics look really pretty. Let's hope the formula is really good. So I'll definitely be saving that for our upcoming Get Ready With Me. I hate the thickness of this packaging though. This is just way too thick. I don't understand why it had to be this thick. Ugh. Not thrilled with this. The Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. These are just sponges that are caked with soap pretty much, and they're fine, but these retail for $16. You can get these for like $4 at like TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Yeah, so, ooh. Oh, it smells like old school CK1 or CKB, which I love, but I don't know. I'm not really thrilled about this. Oh, and the last thing is Sutra. I'm thinking of Sultra. That's tricky. Okay, so this is the Sutra curling wand. This retails for $50. This is a ceramic mini curling iron. Whether I use it or not is going to depend on how big the actual barrel is. I will try it. Maybe I will. I was immediately about to be like, no, I don't want it. It's too small, but maybe I'll try it. I'll try it before the video that I do use this so you can see how it worked on my hair. All right, so this retails again for $50. It wasn't a horrible box, but it definitely wasn't a great box for boxycharm. I'm definitely not thrilled with this. I love the smell though, so for that reason alone, I'll use it. I am happy with this because I do like cleansing balms, but it's just because I like cleansing balms. Like I said, I'll be passing this on. I am excited to try this though. And who knows, maybe I'll fall in love with this. You will hear my thoughts about it. All right, so if you didn't know from my last Ipsy unboxing, I unboxed in my last Battle of the Boxes, I did boxycharm versus Ipsy Ultimate. I've decided to cancel the Ultimate completely and now just do the Glam Bag Plus like I used to do against boxycharm. The prices are the same basically for the box, and the contents are usually around the same amount, and like you don't get any of those shitty fucking, I don't think you do anymore. You don't get any more of the, you know, deluxe samples and stuff that infuriated me. So I'm like, you know what? Why am I doing this to myself? I'm never happy. Even when Ipsy pisses me off with that box, it's never as infuriating as it is with the Ultimate box. Because the Ultimate box, I mean, they're just robbing us at that point. Let's get into our Ipsy Glam bag. I'll see who wins this month. Here is Ipsy's box for March, and it doesn't sound like there's anything protective in there. It sounds like everything's kind of just in the box, which, oh no, there is. That's weird. Never mind. Forget I said anything. All right, and look at this. This was one of my biggest issues with Ipsy's Ultimate box. For as much money as we were paying for the box, and I know this is irrelevant, I'm not getting it anymore, but as much money as we were paying for that box, it didn't come with the little pamphlet telling you what's in the box and how much it's worth. I think it's because half the products in there weren't actually worth what they were telling you the box was worth. Anyway, the theme for this month is Celebrate You, and the first thing I see is from The Balm, and it's the Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. Ooh, okay. So we have, I don't think I have any of these blushes from them, and I have a few Balm blushes that I really like. They're all definitely, I was gonna say they're all shades I would use, and I feel like this might be one I might not be able to get away with, but I'm gonna try it anyway because it looks really pretty, and it looks kind of like maybe it won't be, they look subtle, so maybe I'll be able to get away with it. I don't know if I'll be able to get away with this highlighter. It looks a little dark, but I'm not gonna actually swatch it or anything until we do the Get Ready With Me featuring this stuff. So that's exciting. I have a blush palette to use, and this retails for $26. All right, the next is from Hey Honey, and this is the Trick and Treat Concealer with active propolis, and it helps with, I thought it helped with like acne and stuff, but maybe it helps with other things too. So I've never gotten a concealer in here, but this retails for $36. What? $36? Yeah, propolis kills acne-causing bacteria, but you can also use this under your eyes. So I'd be interested to see if there's anything drying in here because you don't want to put anything drying under your eyes. Anyway, treats fine lines, signs of aging while providing silky smooth coverage. Imperfections, dark circles, under eye bags are hidden with this multitasking, long-lasting under eye treatment. And it's in light medium. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try this, and oh my God, this itch. I mean, I just always have it. I always have an itch by my nose whenever I put on makeup. Anyway, next is from Phase Zero, and this is the matte lipstick. I guess the brand is Phase Zero. And this retails for $16. All right, kind of just looks like a, on camera it looks kind of almost melony, not the name, the shade like melon-y, melon-ish. Anyway, and maybe it is, but it looks almost like a muted pink, I guess I would call it. Ooh, it smells like an amazing cake batter lotion. All right, that's a pretty pink. All right, I know this is a very, very expensive brand. This retails for $42, and it's the Mail In & Get Revitalizing Eye Gel. Revitalize tired-looking eyes, brighten overall eye area with rice and soy peptides, soothe and alleviate puffiness with cooling cucumber, marine extracts, bind and hold moisture, and the rest is in a different language. I don't think I see alcohol anywhere up high on the list. I do see it at the very, very bottom though. SD alcohol, unless I missed it somewhere in between, but okay. I'll definitely put this in my skincare drawer section, what have you. Oh, this is the shade Undercover, the lipstick, just for anybody who's interested. Oh, I thought it was a sheet mask. This is the Coffee Scrub, Coconut Coffee Scrub. I love these, but my only problem is that they make your tub a huge mess. It's a body scrub. Organic oils and vitamins like grapeseed oil, almond oil, and vitamin E will give your skin a radiant, silkier feel and smell wonderful. Yeah, I'll definitely use that. And this retails for 20 bucks. What? There's no way. Stop. I mean, there is, look how there's no way this is worth $20. The next is a brush. Oh, and it's from that brand that we also got, which that brush, that big like half fan brush that we got from this brand, I didn't use. I wanted to, but I didn't use it. This is a concealer brush, which I never use concealer brushes. Maybe I'll try this one. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish, an angled tip for precise and even application. When concealing your under eyes, the sides of your nose, and corners of your face. You can use the thin corner, apparently, to remove stray lipstick, eyeliner marks, or to clean up your brows after filling and defining them. Okay, again, I'll definitely use this in the upcoming video. So, okay, that's fun. So for the video, we have the curling wand, the eyeshadow, lips, concealer, blush, and a brush. That's a nice kind of rounded amount of products. Cool. Okay, you know what? I think I'm happier with Ipsy this month. I'm gonna give it to Ipsy. After a really long failing streak, congratulations Ipsy, you did it. World's best cup of coffee. Yeah, they did pretty well this month. I'm pretty happy. I mean, I thought boxycharm's box was okay, but I mean, there's just a few more things I like about it. And there's only one thing I'm not over the moon about. And it's not even that I'm not over the moon about it, I just don't believe the price of this. So I'll use everything in here. So that equals a win for me. All right, so that was it. What did you guys get in your Ipsy and boxycharm this month? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Which one was better than the other? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.